shit, bro. Oh my fucking god.
Yeah. Bitch, I'm SpongeBob. Take your pants off. Bikini bottom.
I think he's right there in the corner. He's in a mason jar, so his Amazon tank is on the way. It should be here any minute now. I'm waiting. And if you were wondering about my snails, they're doing wonderful, chilling. Bro, are you fucking kidding me? Alright, guys. As soon as I turned the camera off, he went in there, and I just, I got mad, and then I put the camera down, and so now he's in there making his little webs. I put a cricket in there, so let's see if he eventually gets the cricket. But he's in his home now, happy as could be. Holy shit, guys. He's about to make a move. Oh my god. Holy shit, guys. Oh my. This just in. He fucked up. That was fucking sick. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. He's been hard at work. But I've been feeding him about every 2 to 3 days. Wow, look at that, guys. He's so cool, bruh. He lifting me up every day. I don't know about this one. He getting on my fucking nerves. He molted recently, if you could see his molt over there. Look at his head, bro. It's crazy. Yeah, he fucking cool as shit, bro. Look at him go. Wow. So amazing. I think he's building a second dome. I raised a badass little jit. He ain't fucking around. Look at him. He is fiending. He's fiending for that cricket. Alright, bro. He's about to fuck him. Oh. Where'd he go? Did he go under? The fuck? Oh, yeah. He went under. He's like, what the fuck? Come on, bro. Let me see. Holy shit, bro. Oh my fucking god, that. Yeah. Dude, he's fucking sick, bro. Say cheese. Say cheese real quick. Damn, the cricket's still alive, bro. But if you're considering an easy pet, and if you're wondering if these guys make good pets, like, they really do. Like, there's nothing wrong with this guy. He's easy to care for. He's cute. Him and my fish, I swear, are low-key bonding right now. Like, the spider's watching the fish, and the fish is watching the spider. Like, holy shit. But anyways, low maintenance, easy to care for. He's adorable, and so forth. Look at him go.